You know, since we got the bathroom done, it looks almost like a new house. New shower doors, new light fixtures. I should replace the shower head as well. New toilet, restain the cupboards, and look at the floor. Yeah, buddy, gotta put in some transitions soon, and then, yeah, that's as far as I got, so. Looks kind of like a construction zone going on. And I gotta get rid of those boxes and that box. That came out really well, so. Yep, new floor coming right along, so that's 3 boxes that I have down here. And some extra stuff in the closet. Air conditioner does work, thank God. New area rug to put down once the floor is completed, so I think we have like 7 more boxes to go and this will be done. Coming right along. All right, well, just a little more house update, like everyone wants to see that. Anyhow, showed you that on the last video. Bathroom is done. And I started putting the floor in. I got as far as about like there. And I ran out of time, so I stopped. We had some stuff to do. And yeah, floor is installed. Looks really, really good. Contoured the closet. I might, I'm not sure, take out that piece right there and cut another one about a 1/4 inch longer. I think the baseboard's going to cover it, plus it's in the closet, so probably never see it. But anyhow, the floor is done. I had to do some custom contouring work because the wall, this is where the service entrance is right here. Electrical comes in, and I guess they didn't pour it thick enough, maybe, I'm not quite sure, but it has a bow to it right there, kind of hard to see, but the wall probably bows a 1/2 inch in. Can't do anything about that, but floor looks really, really good. Coming right along once again. So yeah, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, this thing will be done. Got to get new baseboards, gonna paint it up, cut, installed, some trim pieces over here, and then I've got transitions on order to do the bathroom to tile, or bathroom tile to new floor, and of course the entryway transition would go right there. Anyhow, things are looking good. Once again, whole room painted, serviced that air conditioner in a previous video. Just got to get ready to put this thing back together and make it a livable space once again. Anyhow, just another house update. Like you wanted that, like you need another hole in your head. You have 7 already. What's one more? All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.